Hi. Today, a client mentioned that at times it's difficult for his dog to pay attention. There are a few things that you can do to get your dog to pay attention. They are one, eye contact. Always, at all times, maintain eye contact. Eye contact tells you whether your dog is listening and understanding. Two, change your tone of voice. Stay. Stay. Good boy. I maintain eye contact and I change my tone of voice. Stay. Stay. Even if my dog is used to me turning my back on him, stay. At times I need to change my technique. Sit down and stay. Sit. Stay. I change my tone of voice. Very good, Otto. Three, as you saw in the video, I also changed my technique. To get your dog to pay attention, you need to be creative and change your techniques at the drop of a hat, according to your dog's mood, according to the distractions around your dog. You have to adapt. You have to adapt to your dog's